KETK News is your local election headquarters, and today is Election Day. As results continue to come into our newsroom, one key judicial race is the 114th District Court in Smith County between Jared Kent and Austin Reeve Jackson. Unofficial numbers show a tight race, but Jackson, the unofficial winner of tonight's race. KETK's Mai Owens has been following the race all day and joins us now to explain what makes this race so important. Mai.
Well, Casey, the winner tonight will be making key decisions within our criminal justice system. Now, this has been a tight race from the very beginning. Back in March, both Kent and Jackson finishing neck and neck, Jackson with a slight lead, and tonight is no different. Unofficial results putting Jackson ahead with 56% of the votes, Kent having 43%. Now, Jackson is head of his own law firm, spending much of his career specializing in criminal, regulatory, and appellate law. While both him and Kent went into today with high spirits, trusting their supporters would bring home a victory. When I spoke to Jackson earlier today, he was confident and said he was looking forward to making changes on the bench.
We're in this race for everybody's family to ensure that we have a well-functioning judicial system that ensures the community is kept safe. And it's been so rewarding today to see so many people come in and vote who stop and say, hey, I remember when you came and we sat in my kitchen, or I remember when we talked on my porch, I remember when we shared that glass of iced tea, from all over the county, and those moments meant something to them, and they've turned it into a vote today, and that's just been incredible to share that with our community members.
Now, a major case being tried in this court is the former Christus Trinity Mother Frances nurse, also known as the killer nurse, William George Davis, who is facing multiple counts of murder after being accused of killing 7 patients. Now, just moments ago, I spoke to Jackson about how he is feeling, and he says, quote, I think this is a win for the community. You had 2 local candidates who grew up here, who wanted to come back here. I'm glad to see the community saw my experience and what I can bring to the bench. Now, I also spoke with Jared Kent, who says he is wishing Mr. Jackson much success in the important position, and while this isn't the result he had hoped for, he trusts that God has a plan. Now, if Jackson is declared the official winner of tonight's race, he will be on the November ballot, but with no Democratic challenger, he will become the next 114th district judge. Reporting in studio, Mai Owens, KETK News.